Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! So for today's video, magbablog tayo. Magkikita-kita tayo ni na Mahal. Ayan, dahil mag-get together tayo. Kakain tayo sa Little Canton Chinese Restaurant. Ayan guys. So nandito ako sa Harbortown. Nakasama natin kaninang isa nating friend. Birthday niya today si Aya. Happy birthday, Aya! So, ayun. Hindi ko alam kung may lipstick pack, maputla ang girl ninyo, ang antay nyo. So guys, samahan nyo ako for today's video. Bye!
Hello, is it tomorrow? Yeah. Are you sure? Hello, 5 pa yun magbukas.
Oo nga eh! Nagja-jarbox nga ako. Nagpunta ako doon. Sabi ko sana pala doon na lang ako sa Harbortown.
Ihing-ihi ka na?
Oo, pwede naman siguro mag-toilet.
Yung anak ko ang gulo.
Maganda naman.
Hello? Nandito na. Kami ni Maria. Just, it's okay.
Hi! Been a long time no see! Hi! How are you? Look at the face!
Kiss na,
Hello!
kiss na, kiss na.
Is she awake?
She just wake up. Buti to.
Hello! That's
Kapatid ko.
That's why. Busy pa siya.
My sister.
Sa...
There, bring my sisters, okay?
Mariam,
Si Maria kasama niya rin sister niya.
That's fine. That's just
Yeah, that's fine.
What the? Na more naman.
You don't have to paalam. Uy! May inaanak!
No, money na, money. Money!
Bless, bless, bless!
Money!
Oh my goodness!
She just woke up.
Bless, bless! Kasama pala niya si ano.
Lagada.
Sa toilet muna ako.
Who tell you to bring your ballplane?
Sister okay but no boyfriend, ha?
Ang cute-cute naman!
Long time no see, Mel.
Te, bawal ang boyfriend.
Uy, huwag kang ganyan! Kamusta na?
Te, saan ka tumambay?
Dito, ayun na. Hello. Sa Harbortown. Kasi nag-out ako ng tour.
Shopping.
Hindi ha?
Mariam, we worked this morning.
Wala nang pang
Hope
shopping.
she's not late. She told me that she's gonna have a...
Anong oras ang out niya?
3:15.
Ako nga, diretso na dito eh. Thank you, madam.
Say hi, Suara. Proud but we cannot see you.
What would you like?
Where's your pony?
Order
Can
time.
someone order fried rice?
Ikaw.
You ordered it. You don't order. Oh my. How many fried rice? Aliso. Come on. Aliso is on. Further here is not too bad actually. It's all like shared. Stars.
want rice and duck. I'm craving for duck.
Sige, I'll order. I'll order the duck then.
What?
Yeah, you order. I'll order the crispy
She's ordering na.
seafood. Seafood.
I love Chinese food. Oh, is that the Singaporean noodles? Someone's eating here. Everybody's hot. Someone's hurting.
Ay, puting niya.
Taiwan noodles.
Don't worry, we're just starting.
Kaya nga ako humingi ng ano eh.
Lipstick na iinis ako.
Alisa's favorite.
Oh,
Good ka.
you have to eat first before you're gonna drink something. Drink some
Hindi na tayo nag-pray.
Ay, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. Thank you.